Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a line, or a few words, that you remember from a poem or song. You should say, what is it? Which song or poem it is from, how you knew it, and explain how you feel about it. "Miles to go before I sleep" is among the most unforgettable phrases I have ever heard. This passage is taken from Robert Frost's well-known poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. The poem eloquently depicts a traveler stopping in the silent, snow-covered forest to contemplate the serene surroundings while simultaneously reminding himself of his obligations before he may take a break. These words have always had a profound meaning for me because they stand for responsibility, tenacity, and life's journey. This poem was initially presented to us by our English instructor when I was in school. I didn't completely understand its deeper meaning at the time, but I did enjoy its straightforward yet alluring imagery. As I became older, I began to realize the meaning of these words. "Miles to go before I sleep" refers to more than simply the actual distance. It also symbolizes the protracted list of obligations and objectives that each of us must complete before we can finally relax. Since then, this quote has stuck with me, and I frequently think of it when I'm feeling overburdened by obligations and tasks. These lines remind me that life is full of responsibilities and difficulties, and that we must keep going in spite of setbacks or difficulties. This line encourages me to remain dedicated and focused in all aspects of my life, including my studies, job, and personal relationships. I sometimes want to quit up when I'm exhausted, but remembering this poem gives me the willpower to keep going. Robert Frost's words are timeless because they encourage people from all walks of life to persevere and finish their tasks before taking a break.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.